My name is Purva Rupde.
My name is Rohit Bagele.
My name is Abhigya Chitale. And our topic name is Smart Line Stick using Arduino Uno. Firstly, we use Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno board is at Mega 328P. Arduino Uno board is an open source electronic platform based on easy sensor. Ultrasonic sensor has a 4 pin. First VCC, second trigger, third echo and fourth ground. VCC pin are connected to the Arduino pin 5 volt. Triggered pin is connected to the pin number 9 of Arduino pin, and echo pin is connected to the pin number 10 of buzzer. Buzzer are our output. Cathode pin are connected to the ground, and anode pin are connected to the pin number 11 of our Arduino board. We see how it's work. When obstacles are come in front of ultrasonic sensor, they detect and give a signal to buzzer.
Hello everyone. We are the students of electronics. We are the students of Government Polytechnic Gondia, Electronics and Telecommunications final year, batch 2024 and 25. Let me introduce ourselves first. My name is Om today.
My name is Gauri Kumar Patnaik.
Today we are here to show you about our project that is related from the subject embedded system under the guidance of our HOD Dr. Prashant Sharma sir. Gauri Patnaik tell us about our project.
This project is based on automatic door open close system, which we send the signal through the IR transmitter and receiver. IR transmitter and receiver catch the signal and give the process to the Arduino. Arduino will proceed the signal to the servo motor, and servo motor will shift the door to 90 degrees.
Let me connect the supply to it. So here we have connected the power supply to our Arduino, and here the IR sensor is connected. The IR sensor, when IR sensor catches the signal, it will give it to the Arduino, and Arduino will process that signal and give it to the servo motor, which will open the door by 90 degrees. So I put my hand in front of IR sensor, so it will catch the signal. So as my hand is in front of IR sensor, so when the signal is continuously giving to the Arduino, that's why our door is open. When I remove my hand in front of the IR sensor, so after the 7 seconds after the removing my hand, the door will close. Let me count the 7 seconds of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's okay. So after the 7 seconds, the door is closed by the servo motor. Let me see the circuit connections of it. Here we use the Arduino Nano, and there is one IR sensor over here, either the door, and if IR sensor catch the signal, then its signal give it to the Arduino, and this Arduino will give it signal to our servo motor, and the servo motor will open the door like this, open position and close position.
Hello everyone, we are the student of Electronics and Telecommunication program of Government Polytechnic Gondia, and we make a project of embedded system under the guidance of Dr. Prashant Sharma sir. I am Yanuni Thakre, Prilkurkar, and title of our project is Decibel Meter using Sound Sensor. Let we see the circuit connection. In this circuit we are using 4 main components, that is LCD module, sound sensor, Arduino Nano and LEDs. The connection of sound sensor is analog pin of sound sensor is connected with analog pin of Arduino Nano, and ground and VCC is connected with ground and VCC of Arduino Nano, and LCD in it ground and VCC connection is same, and SDA and SCL pin is connected with A4 and A5 pin of Arduino Nano, and this 3 LED is connected with digital pin of Arduino Nano, that is D3, D4, D5.
everyone. We are the students of Government Polytechnic Gondia from Electronics and Telecommunication final year 2024-2025. Today we are going to show you the project made by us of subject embedded system. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Ronak Manohar Chauhan.
My name is Shubham Dilip Thakur.
My name is Manish Pandya.
My name is Kautuk Tanagor.
So our topic is generate LED pattern using Arduino. So the subject the embedded system under the guidance of our HOD Dr. Prashant Sharma sir.
First of all, let me connect it to power supply.
Here we connected the 75 LEDs in 15x5 matrix, and these pins are connected to the digital pins of the Arduino.
Read the programming on Arduino IDE software on laptop.
To check the LED pattern,
Hello everyone, I am Baldev Jain.
I am Janvi Bidwaikar.
I am Kalyan Patel. We are studying in final year of Electronics and Telecommunication branch. Our micro project topic is theft alarm system, guided by Dr. Prashant Sharma sir.
In this micro project, we use Arduino Uno, IR sensor module, 7V buzzer, 9V battery, and some connecting wires. The VCC pin of IR sensor module is connected to the ground pin of Arduino Uno, and ground pin of IR sensor module is connected to the VCC of Arduino Uno. The buzzer pin is connected to digital pin 11 and ground pin. And output pin of IR sensor module is connected to the digital pin 2 of Arduino Uno, and ground pin connector is connected in power supply with 9V battery.
The theft alarm system is also known as door security alarm system. The theft alarm system is device that alerts you and others when someone tries to break your home, college, or office. It is used in commercial and residential and safety.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh Sahare.
And I am Sagar Suraj Joshi.
And my name is Kaushik Kawasa.
We are from Fellowship in Electronic Telecommunication Department, Government of Polytechnic Gondia. We develop a micro project of embedded system.
In this project, we use components are LCD display, I2C module, Arduino Uno, jumper wire, and Arduino software.
We program the Arduino with Arduino software and interface the Arduino with LCD display and DHT11 temperature sensor. And temperature sensor sense the temperature, room temperature, and give the instruction to Arduino and show in the LCD display. This is the working of our project. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Kevin Hussain. I am Nisha Gupta. I am Bhagyashree Anand. We are studying in final year Electronics and Telecommunication. Our topic is LDR Arcade sensor, guided by Dr. Prashant Sharma sir.
Names LDR sensor, 1K ohm resistor, 50K ohm resistor, LED, some connecting wires, transistor 547 and one 9V battery.
1.
Connect one end of the LDR to the positive voltage supply. Connect the other end of LDR to one end of the fixed resistor. Connect the other end of the fixed resistor to ground. The junction between the LDR and the fixed resistor is where you will read the voltage.
How it's work. In light, the resistance of the LDR decreasing counting the voltage at the junction 2 increases. In darkness, the resistance increases, lowering the voltage. You can read the voltage in your program and determine whether it's dark or light. Uses of LDR darkness sensor. Automatic straight lighting. LDR system can detect ambient light levels. When the lighting intensity drops below the certain threshold, example, at dusk or during the weather,
My name is Rushikesh Kade.
My name is Tanmay Patle.
And my name is Ayush Patle.
We are the student of Government Polytechnic Gondia of Electronics Telecommunication branch.
So our micro project name is a 2-digit up and down counter.
In this micro project, we use various components such as 7-segment display, connecting wires, and 8051 development board, and we use one power supply.
And the application of this micro project: industrial automation, traffic management, and consumer devices.
Now we will show demo of the project. If we click this button, they count in upward, and if we click this decrement button, they decrease by 1.
The students of Government Polytechnic Gondia, Department Electronics and Telecommunication, final year, batch 2024-2025. Let me introduce ourselves. My name is Darshan Gale. My name is Tanish Khan. My name is Shubham Sir. And today's our micro project topic is distance indicator under the guidance of Dr. Prashant Sharma Sir. Subject is embedded system.
We use breadboard, Arduino Nano, ultrasonic sensor, and 3 LEDs of different colors: green, red, and yellow, and some connecting wires.
This micro project, the trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to the D2 pin of Arduino Nano, and echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor is connected to the D3 pin of Arduino Nano. This micro project works on when the object is very near to the ultrasonic sensor, it gives a red color LED is glow. When the object is not far and not near, then yellow LED is glowing. When the object is far than ultrasonic sensor, then green LED is glowing.
Hello everyone. My name is Vishal Girepunje.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Sharma. I am Tulsi Thakur.
We are the student of Electronics and Telecommunication branch of Government Polytechnic Gondia, and we are studying in 5th semester of Electronics and Telecommunication branch. In this semester, we have one subject named as Embedded System. The micro project title of the embedded system is the Decibel Lab. We are giving some input as a voice, and there is in LCD there is a show the loudness and the frequency of the sound, and the LED shows the how much is the sound. See, when we apply the low sound, there is a yellow LED glows on, and when we play the medium sound, the green LED is glow, and when we play a loud sound, the red LED will be glow. And here is our micro project. Now we see the working of this micro project. So we play the sound, and the sound signal shows the LED.
हमने एक LCD यूज़ किया है, एंड Arduino Nano यूज़ किया है, साउंड सेंसर यूज़ किया है, LCD अडेप्टर, some connecting wire, and 3 LCD LEDs. डेसिबल मीटर में क्या होगा, जैसे कि अभी आवाज़ एकदम कम है तो येलो लाइट ग्लो होंगी, और जैसे कि मीडियम साउंड आ रहा है तो ग्रीन लाइट ग्लो होंगी. हमको पता चलेगा कि अभी मीडियम साउंड है, और जब ज़्यादा साउंड हो रहा है तो रेड लाइट ग्लो होंगी. इससे हमको ये पता चलेगा कि साउंड कहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, कहाँ पे मीडियम है और कहाँ पे लो है. जैसे कि हम इसको क्लास में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. क्लास में जैसे कि ज़्यादा हल्ला हो रहा है या ज़्यादा आवाज़ हो रही है तो रेड लाइट ग्लो होकर ये बताएंगी कि बहुत ज़्यादा हल्ला हो रहा है, और मीडियम आवाज़ रहा तो ग्रीन लाइट शो होगी और वो बताएंगी कि मीडियम है, और जैसे क्लास कोई चालू है तो येलो लाइट शो होगी जैसे कि आवाज़ कम है. Hello guys, we are the student of final year Electronic and Telecommunication branch from Government Government Polytechnic, Gondia. My name is Asha Patle. My name is Tanjali Patle. My name is Prachi Patle, and our topic is water level indicator using ultrasonic sensor by guidance of Dr. Prashant Sharma sir.
Firstly, we use Arduino Uno board. Arduino Uno board is microcontroller board. Arduino Uno board is an open source electronic platform based on Easy EDC software. There are 4 pins of ultrasonic sensor. First VCC, trigger, echo and ground. The VCC is connected to the 5-volt supply of Arduino, and the trigger is connected to the 6-pin of Arduino, and the echo pin is connected to the 7-pin of Arduino, and the ground pin is connected to the ground pin of Arduino. And we take output from the LED indication. Water level indicator. When the level of water is raised, the white LED indicates the raised level of water. When we increase the level of water, the ultrasonic sensor senses the level of water. The green LED shows the medium level of water using ultrasonic sensor. When the level of water is full or increases, then the red LED is indicate the higher level of water. So this is water level indicator. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my full name is Lalit Duryodhan Share and my full name is Arjun Diliram Pache.
And my full name is Shreya Nagpure.
We are the student of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Today we have the micro project of ESY, that is Embedded System, guided by Dr. Prashant Sharma sir. In this, the micro project name of this particular subject is Temperature Monitoring System, which we will explain you further.
Start.
Today we have the micro project name is Temperature Monitoring System. We will see how does it work with Arduino Uno and I2C module.
The humidity monitoring systems circuit is given by. In this topic we have used the Arduino Uno with the I2C module and LCD. We have connected positive terminal of the I2C module to the Arduino Uno and the negative ground of the I2C module to the Arduino Uno. Then we have used the humidity sensor, which measures the surroundings temperature and displays on the LCD module. So it works like that. So in this particular, the combination of these both, we can measure the surrounding temperature and we can display it on any places. So thank you. This is our micro project. This micro project based on an application, like whenever we measure the surrounding temperature, we can use this micro project. So this is the purpose of our syllabus and the purpose of embedded system. Thank you.
My name is Lucky Rajesh Karo.
My name is Abhishek Pharke.
I am Kumar Bhargava. So today we are create a project in embedded system under the guidance of Dr. Prashant Sharma sir. Our project's name is Temperature and Humidity Monitoring System using Arduino.
In this project, we use Arduino Uno board for programming and we use Arduino software for programming, and we use this DHT11 sensor.
The DHT11 senses the temperature and humidity of atmosphere and it is connected to the I2C module of LCD. As you can see, the temperature and humidity displayed on the LCD. Now we see the I2C module of LCD. This is our I2C module and this is our LCD. The I2C module with the LCD is connected to the Arduino Uno board. The basic concept of this project is the temperature and humidity is sensed by DHT11 and displayed on LCD.
Connector of the Arduino Uno 7A LCD display and temperature sensor. There is a temperature sensor, that's a VCC port, data port and ground port. They are connected the Arduino and display with the breadboard. And there is a Arduino input port, there is a VCC port and there is a VCC ground port. They are connected the LCD display and DHT11 sensor. And we are programming the Arduino using Arduino IDE software.
Here is our code.
Here is our code and program using this cable. And here is the output, temperature and humidity. There is a 32.20 degrees Celsius today temperature and there is a humidity.
So this is our project. Thank you.
Student of Diploma in Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering from Government Polytechnic Gondia, myself Akansha Mishra. Our topic is rain detection alarm, guided by Dr. Prashant Sharma sir. Myself Bharti Biswa. We use trickle for IC and capacitor of 10 microfarad, buzzer, register and rain sensor power supply. Now the working the system. Sensor that measure water level and rain intensity. Application. Flood prevention. Sir, water management for agriculture, environmental monitoring. Thank you.
Done.